Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. We're going to take a look at a couple of growth and income stocks now with Todd Bunton, our growth and income stock strategist at Zacks.com. A couple of interesting choices, one of which in the retail space, ROST Stores, R-O-S-T, the ticker symbol. It's a discounter?
That's right, yeah. They're considered an off-price retailer, much like TJX, who owns TJ Maxx and Marshalls.
Yeah.
And what that means is that they basically take name brand merchandise, and if a full-price retailer has too much inventory or cancels an order, they'll buy that at a discount and then sell it at a discount.
Okay.
As you can imagine, this has been pretty popular in the difficult economy.
Right.
They actually, in 2009, they saw same-store sales jump 9%. So very strong growth there, and earnings per share increased 67%. So the business models work very well. They operate about 1,000 stores in 27 states in the U.S., so they're a little smaller than your TJ Maxx. But again, this year they're seeing strong same-store sales again. They reported their second quarter 2011 results back in August, and they saw earnings per share of $1.07. That was a 31% increase year over year. They saw same-store sales strong again, even off the strong '09. It was about a 4% increase. Their gross margin actually expanded too, so that's something that you just don't see a lot in retail right now, is strong sales and gross margin. So that led to solid bottom line growth.
Yep.
They actually just reported October same-store sales too. They release every month. Again, number was solid, 4%, and management actually raised their earnings per share guidance for the next quarter. Analysts have been increasing their estimates too. The Zacks consensus for 2011 is currently $4.36 a share. That represents 24% year-over-year growth.
Okay.
And then for 2012, it's 10% higher. So you're seeing solid double-digit earnings per share growth from them. They also have a pretty solid dividend. They yield about 1%, but they've increased their dividend at 24% a year since 2000.
Wow.
So they have strong cash flow. They've been rewarding their shareholders. They've been buying back stocks. That's something that we like to see. And they're also attractively priced. They trade at about 14 times forward estimates, discount to their competitors at 16 times, and their PEG ratios very reasonable, 1.0.
All right. Cooper Tire and Rubber, name that a lot of people will recognize, CTB, the ticker symbol. Where's the growth, where's the income on this one?
Yeah, this is an interesting story because you think, well, a tire company, they obviously have rising commodity costs that's going to hurt their margins. And yeah, no doubt it has, but they've actually been able to successfully increase prices, and they've seen solid sales growth both domestically and abroad. They recently reported their third quarter for 2007. It came in at 77 cents. That beat the Zacks consensus by 24%. Sales were up 10% total, and actually 13% in North America alone. Yeah, the gross margin did contract, as you can imagine, because of the rising prices in like natural rubber and oil. That hurts a company like Cooper, but they've been actually able to kind of stave off that a little bit. Like I said, with the higher prices, higher sales, and the fact that 33% of their sales come from outside of the U.S., and they have a strong presence in emerging markets, that should help drive growth for years to come. We've seen estimates rising after their strong quarter. The Zacks consensus is for 2010 is currently 237, which is a 21% growth year over year, so that's solid. The 2011 estimate is just a penny higher at 238, but it is a little bit growth, and longer term the company still expects to grow at above average industry rates because of that emerging market exposure. The company also offers a 2% dividend yield. They haven't increased it since 1998 though, but they're only trading at about 9 times forward estimates, so there's definitely some value here.
All right, do you own either of these two?
I do not.
If you want to check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas for yourself, go to our homepage. That is Zacks.com if you're not there already. And in the upper right-hand corner is where we put 4 new stock pick ideas for you daily, 1 in each of the investing categories that we write about. And Todd's is included, growth and income. With Todd Bunton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.